Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be unboxing the new Ipsy Glam Bag Plus July edition. So if you guys want to see this unboxing and what my thoughts are, then definitely keep on watching. Okay, so this is actually my first time having Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I happened to come across some YouTube videos on it and I was like, all right, because I've had Ipsy for so many years and I hated Ipsy because you got 5 sample size products like in a really cute makeup bag. I love makeup bags, but these are products I've never heard of, brands I never heard of. They always sent me products that were not complimentary to me at all. So I was like, ah, God, I'm canceling. And I found later on, like years later, Sephora Play box. And I actually really love that box because that box does still give you 5 sample size products, but they're items that are sold inside Sephora. So at least I know what the brands are. So I happened to come across a few YouTube videos where I saw that Ipsy's now doing a Glam Bag Plus, and it's very, very similar to that BoxyCharm. Only this one I believe gives you 5 full size items for the retail price of $25, whereas BoxyCharm is the retail price of $20 for 5 full size items. And I was shocked that I got approved for this because I saw that when I first signed up, Ipsy's like, oh, you're on a wait list to do the $10 a month Ipsy Glam Bag. And I was like, I don't even want that bag. But you have to sign up for that bag in order to qualify for the Glam Bag Plus. So I signed up for it and it's like, oh, but if you share it on all your social media, we'll immediately take you off the wait list. And I was like, I am not sharing that. So I was like, ah, screw it, I'll wait. But then like a day later, they're like, oh, you're approved. Do you want to sign up and upgrade your box to a Glam Bag Plus? And I was like, yeah, that's one reason why I signed up for this. So I'm excited to dig into here because it's been a long time since I've had Ipsy and I want to see what products are in here and if it's better than BoxyCharm, because I know that a lot of you guys said in my comments or my BoxyCharm videos that you guys are getting kind of bored of the BoxyCharm box. I know what you're saying, like I do understand that. Like this box was not the best box. It wasn't the worst, but it was just a very blah box. Like it was like meh. So let's see what this is all about. Ooh, it says don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. I like it because they have like a yellow coverage in here and the BoxyCharm is black. The bag is called Dive In. Summer is in full swing. Let's soak it up with the dewy skin, beachy babe waves, and shimmering budge-proof makeup looks. Guaranteed to keep those chill poolside vibes going all month long. Little, oh, okay, cool. It's like a Sephora bag, but it does fold out. All right, so I'm gonna go in with what I see first. First off, I see the Pixi by Petra. Please let me know if I'm saying this right. This is a glow mist and it retails for $15. It says step up your summer glow with a lightweight mist. It's formulated with 13 essential oils like rose flower and lavender, aloe vera and fruit extracts to set your makeup, hydrate, protect, and give your skin a gorgeous dewy finish. Well, look at that. You see like there's like the oil sitting on top. I know it says like to shake it up. My only thing is that I want to try this, but I have very, very, very oily skin. So putting on a dewy finish on oily skin, you are asking to look like a grease ball. Especially here in Florida where you're so hot and humid and you're sweating like crazy. The last thing you want to do is put on dewy mist because believe me, when you walk outside, your face is going to do that for you. I'm not entirely sure if I'm going to use this. I might go into like Target. I know they have like a little like setter spray right there. You can kind of like test it out. At least my Target does. And I might go into Target and I might just like spray theirs and try it out and see if I like it. If not, this is gonna go right into a giveaway box. So thank you though, that's actually kind of exciting. That's kind of cool. On the next page, I have like little information. It says see you next month, but before you go, you can add additional products to your August glam bag starting at just $3. But hurry, supplies are limited and only available for 24 hours or they will sell out. Not bad. Not bad. The next thing that we got is the Superhero It Cosmetics mascara. Y'all, this mascara has been my holy grail for so long. I know I really don't talk about mascaras or foundations. I don't really talk about like actual makeup products I use on this channel. I mostly just do like unboxing and reviewings. I really should start talking about more makeup products that I'm really obsessed with. I am gonna do a favorites video, but I wanna do that towards like the end of the year because I'm not like, yes, I'm a beauty guru. Yes, I do makeup channels and stuff like that. But like, I'm not sent PR on a daily basis. So everything that you pretty much see, I mostly buy for the most part. So it's hard for me to be like, oh, but I really love this foundation this month and this foundation this month, because like that's a lot of money that I have to spend. And I'm sorry, your girl has a lot of bills to pay too. So it's really hard for me to upkeep a lot of like bigger products like foundations and stuff like that. So I try out the drugstore, and I could definitely do like drugstore favorites and stuff like that for you. I could do more drugstore products and videos like that, but for the higher ends like that, I feel like that needs to go like towards the end of the year. But this has been such an amazing mascara. I received this, I want to say a couple months ago, Unbox, and I've been obsessed with this. Like, this really does, like if you look right here, if you look right there in the picture, it really does that for you. It says, want long, lifted, defined lashes? This no flake formula is enriched with exclusive elastic stretch technology, super powder ingredients like biotin and peptides to strengthen, polymers to lift, and collagen to build your lashes from the inside out. This specially designed wand grabs the teeniest lashes and coats them in color from root to tip. No lash left behind. Plus, it's long wearing, so you barely need touch-ups even after hours of wear. And this retails for $24. Y'all, I could tell you right now, this right here does exactly what it says it's going to do. I've loved it and I've used it for so long. I mean, right now I'm currently wearing the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. That is like my second favorite mascara. This right here, I've probably gone through about 2 of these already, and I was actually going to 4 next week, because one of the perks of being a cast member is that we have a cool Sephora sale coming up for next week, so we do get to take 20% off our purchase, like our entire purchase for being a cast member, only on select days, and it's only found at Disney Springs, so I'm really excited for that. So I was definitely gonna go pick one of these bad boys up, but now I don't have to because I just got sent it, but I still have to go pick up other mascaras and stuff, so I'm so excited for this one right here. It freaking works, guys. It works. All right, so the next thing that it is showing me is this Naked Cosmetics 4-piece pigment set. It's valued at $40. Naked Cosmetics products are made without fillers like oils, wax, or talc, things that can be damaging to your skin. These highly pigmented, finely milled loose pigments blend so easily, mix and match to create endless looks. That is really cool. I've actually never heard of Naked Cosmetics before. If it's not naked, it's not natural. Ooh, stacked together, what? Okay, but like, how do you pull these apart? Oh my God, are they wrapped? Oh. Dude. I'm assuming they're stacked together. They're not. All right, so let's actually check some of these colors out. Naked Cosmetics, this is the color Naturally Nude. Ooh, oh shit. All right, so this is Naturally Nude. I just took the swatch off my desk because I got quite a bit on my desk, but I just like scooped it back into the product because I was like, I'm not losing this powder. That's actually really, really pretty. It's a really pretty color. Y'all know how I love these rose gold colors. I live for them. Note to self, don't open it like that on camera. Heard. Ooh, y'all, look at this one right here. This is like a gray lavender color. What? This is the name Sierra Nevada. Ooh, y'all, that has some really, really pretty color to that. What? I've never seen a gray lavender. The next one is another, wait, are they all the same? This name is called Sierra Nevada as well. Whoa, 'tis confusion. All right, so this is from this is Sierra Nevada in the style and the color SN04, and I guess this is SN05. Here I am thinking that's the name of the freaking product, and it's not. Ooh, this is like a beautiful, like, burgundy purple. It kind of looks more brown in person. On camera it looks more burgundy, but this has like a really nice brown shift to it with gold reflexes. Wow, that's actually really gorgeous. I could see what they talk about. You need to mix these together. Last one is from, this one is the SN02 from Sierra Nevada. That is SN02 at the bottom. These are gorgeous colors and they're extremely messy. So just know that you will get powder all over your desk. All right, well that's everything on the front. On the back, oh my gosh, I really wanted to try this out. This is exciting. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. This retails for $21. Glow Recipe is known for creating natural, cruelty-free products inspired by K-beauty trends. This gel textured formula hydrates, brightens, and protects skin with vitamin-rich watermelon, hyaluronic acid, and soothing botanicals. Plus, it smells just like a slice of juicy watermelon. So refreshing on a hot summer day. I've always wanted to try this out. I've always seen it sitting there like on the Sephora stands whenever you go to check out, like, oh, I guess I should try this, I should try this. I always come so close to buying it, and then I'm like, oh, but I have so many other facial products that I use, so I'm really excited to try this bad boy out. This is something I wanted to try for a while now, especially since my friends rave about it. All right, the last product that we have, which I'm kind of shocked that it's in here, is the Huda Beauty 3D Highlighter Palette in Pink Sands. This is a value of $45. I'm sure I just damaged the crap out of that. All right, I'm gonna hold it better. Oh my God. This is a value of $45. It says we're head over heels for anything this beauty influencer turned makeup maven creates. With a mix of 1 creamy and 3 pressed powders, pearlescent highlighters, this palette has everything you need to create a custom glow. I'm so shocked that there's Huda Beauty in here. Like, that's an expensive brand. That's a luxurious brand, and the fact that it's in this Ipsy Glam bag, like, what? Yo, that is insane. Please tell me I didn't break it. I did not break it. Oh, thank God. Do I look like her? Yeah. How you guys doing today? You guys doing okay? Yeah, I know. I just, you know. This is the highlighter palette. Gorgeous. Wow. This is weird. This is weird. I've never touched a cream highlighter like this. Y'all see that? So weird. Get into that. This is Capri. That is Capri. Then we have Santorini. Ooh, that's a beautiful white highlight. Followed by Azores. I have no idea what that's called. Beautiful gold highlight. Then we followed by Ibiza. That's really pretty. Right here, because it tells you how to do all 4 of them. So it says right here at the very top, it walks you through the steps. So number 1, prep. Apply Capri as a base to soothing skin and amplify refracting pearls. Set your face with Santorini from cheek to temple to set and bring out the pop. Sculpt your face with the auras under the cheekbones to add dimension and shape. And sweep Ibiza on the cheeks for healthy glow. I love how she kind of set each one out here. So that is freaking amazing. So that is all the products I got in this box. If I had to compare it to BoxyCharm, Ipsy Glam Bag Plus just blows it out of the water. Like this box, like BoxyCharm doesn't even come close to comparing to this Glam Bag Plus. Like, I'm stunned. I do have a drugstore item in here, which I think is really cool because this is a really great brand. But then you also have a luxury item from the It Cosmetics mascara. You have a freaking Glow Recipe moisturizer. You have a freaking Huda Beauty highlighting kit. Like, what? And then I got introduced to something that I've never heard about, and that was the Naked Cosmetics, the 4 loose pigments in here, which I did drop some, but these are freaking gorgeous. And I have to say, I'm blown away by this box. It definitely has a summer vibe to it for sure, especially these like colors right here. These are very gorgeous colors. I'm so excited that I'm gonna be playing around with these. Like the one that is the SN4, this is a lavender gray. Like, what? I've never seen it before. This is a really stunning color. I cannot wait to play with this. But I would definitely say this box beats out BoxyCharm box this month, hands down. I'm extremely excited that I got this box. If you guys want to get it, I will leave the link down below. It's not like an affiliate code or anything, that I'm just linking down the website down below. But I think this is actually a really good box, and it's only 25 bucks. Yeah, no, you can't beat that. You cannot beat that for all these products, especially for the Huda Beauty, which is just a high-end brand to begin with, a very luxurious brand, and the fact that they put it in here, like, what? That is so cool. So I'm so excited that I got this box, guys. I cannot wait to play around with these products. I cannot wait to do more unboxings like with this box with you guys. I'll probably start doing maybe battle the boxes to see who won. I could definitely tell you that Ipsy won July, hands down. So that is it for today's video, guys. Please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do have a giveaway going on my channel right now for the bling brushes. And thank you guys for the love and support on those brushes. I'm so glad you guys love them just as much as I do. And as always, guys, I want to thank you guys for all your love and support, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. You're on Ipsy. Ipsy was on August 2nd. You can add additional products to your August Ipsy July edition glam. Hey, the new Ipsy Glam Plus, the new Ipsy Glam Blag. Oh my god. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my hands. Going out to Sephora next. Naked Cosmetic. Finely milled. Wait, is this the full size or this is the sample size that you get at Sephora?